Hey beautiful babes, welcome in. It's your girl Sweet Angel, and yes, I was about to mix up my DIY shampoo. If you notice, my hair has gotten so much thicker, so much fuller, and growing like crazy. This shampoo I swear by, okay? So I'm going to show you how to mix it up. I had already poured in some of the ingredients, which is like the castor oil. Also, I had put in the glycerin, but I'm going to just show you what I do, how I do in order to get this nice, wonderful, amazing DIY shampoo. This is all I've been using for the last few months, and my hair has, as you know, I've had no complaints. I've had no fallout, nothing of that. So I am going to continue to use and mix up my own shampoo. So this container, I just get these from Amazon. They are plastic, which I love, and because in the bathroom you don't want to use glass bottles and so forth, so that's why I use this particular one. Now I do have specifics as far as ingredients in the description box in case you want to go by specific measurements. However, you know, since I've been mixing it up for so long, I know it really doesn't and does not matter. The only thing that would matter for most people would be the amount of oils that you mix in with it, because of course you don't want to overdo the oil if your hair is, you know, will go limp or doesn't require that much moisture in it. So let me go ahead and start with the first ingredient, which would be, I use the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented pure Castile soap. I'm just going to pour this in. Again, I don't really need any rhyme or reason to it because I know how much I want in here, and for the most part it's going to be quite a bit of this because this of course makes the bubbles and cleanses the hair. So okay, that seems to be good right there. All right, the next thing I'm going to add in, and again, ingredients, the measurements are in the description box, so look there for this. Okay, I'll be taking my honey. I use Nature Nate's Most of All 100% raw and unfiltered honey. I'll be pouring in a little bit of this. It's nice and thick, so it takes a minute. Next, I have my glycerin. This is organic vegetable glycerin. I only use organic vegetable glycerin. This one is sourced from coconuts, so I love it super a lot. Okay, I'll put in a little bit more of it. I had already poured some in earlier, so that will be sufficient there. Then I'm going to use some amla fruit oil, amazing for the hair. If you have not seen my previous video where I go into specific detail, please check it out. You're going to be amazed by these ingredients and going to love them for your hair for sure. So let me put in a few drops of it, and that is perfect. Next, I'll be using this Brahmi oil, again amazing for the hair and scalp. All of the information where I check out the back of your suggested uses on your oils. This is amazing for the hair. It's definitely going to help with the reduction of hair fall and stimulate hair growth and also remove dandruff. It's very good. Again, this is how I come up with my remedies, is checking out the ingredients, what they're good for, and I go for it, baby. I go for it. There we go. Then we have Bring-Raj oil. Again, another great oil for the hair. Bring-Raj oil, that's how you spell it there on the bottle. And again, suggested uses. Guess what? Overall scalp health. This is great for it. for nourishment, split end problems, and it gives enough moisture to reduce dandruff. Okay, this is where your girl comes up with these great recipes for. And this also says it's for thin hair and gives strength to weak hair and promotes hair growth. So now you know. This is like no magical trick. You just read and explore, and you'll find out so many amazing natural ingredients to do everything and more than that you can get from those store-bought chemical laden products that you use on your hair. But this is it. My hair is color treated. I need all the punch I can get. And next up, I wish I had some aloe vera plants here, but I can't seem to keep mine alive. I don't know what I do wrong, but I do have some aloe vera gel that I will be putting in here. And you know the benefits of aloe vera gel if you've watched any YouTube videos around here. It is amazing for the hair and helping it to grow. So I do like that. Even though I chopped mine off, I still want it healthy and growing. So that is perfect right there. And then last two items coming up. First one here, Jamaican black castor oil. Of course, great for hair growth. You know that. It's moisturizing, and it also helps to condition the skin. So that means it helps to condition the scalp. So let's pour in just a tad bit more here, which I had already put some in there earlier. And then this time around, I will be adding in an essential oil. We're going to use some lavender oil. This is from Simply Earth, and lavender oil, as you know, is great for promoting hair growth as well. But guess what else it does for this wonderful mixture? It's give it an awesome scent. So I do want to add a few drops of it to this nice mixture today, which is a little bit different from what I usually do. And that's because, you know, I want it to smell good for sure. Now, all we have to do is shake this up and we are finito. How simple is that? It doesn't take long with most DIYs. And there you go. There's your shampoo already ready. And yes, it does lather up quite well. If yours doesn't, you may have put a little bit too much oil in there and just add in a little bit more Castile, which I'm going to do so I can go ahead and fill this one to the rim, okay? That way I don't have to come back for a while to do this. Perfect. And I'll just wipe it off and make it pretty and take it to the bathroom and get ready to do some hair today. Yes. Voila. Oh, and I almost forgot. I did add in, and I wanted to share this with you, some lemongrass oil. Again, when you read the backs of your products, just check out what they're great for. And lemongrass is also, it's great for glowing skin, but it helps to strengthen the hair follicles and improve hair growth. So just check out, again, a lot of your products that you've purchased, you can add them into your shampoo and enhance it even more. All right, beautiful babes, just an added bonus for your DIY shampoo. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please, by all means, share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.